चलिए।
So now AgBr is also split up in presence of light and gives silver, free silver plus bromine gas. Bromine, okay, this is in the form of liquid, but it is vapor also because it is volatile. Bromine liquid is volatile, highly volatile. That's why. Now this two equation is used. These equation you must know, students. These chemical reactions are used in black and white photography. Okay, photography. And another third type of decomposition reaction is, electrical decomposition reaction. Electrical decomposition reaction. Electrical decomposition reaction or electrolytic decomposition reaction. You see, in this decomposition reaction, electrical energy is consumed. So the decomposition is known as decomposition reaction. Okay, you see some of the example. You see, electrolytic reaction is the example of the electrical decomposition reaction. While water is split up in presence of electric current, while electric current, okay, is passing through the water, but some drop of acid is here because pure water does not conduct electricity. As every student knows that pure water does not conduct electricity. So make it conductor. Some drop of acid is also put into water to make it conductor. And while electric current is passing through it, hydrogen gas and also oxygen gas are emitted. You see, one of the compound water is splitted up into another compound, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The balanced chemical equation must be written. That's why we put here 2 and also here. Likewise, another equation that I am writing for electrical decomposition reaction, sodium chloride, concentrated sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride is passed through electrical current. What will happen? A free sodium element, that is very reactive element, and chlorine gas is emitted. So in this way we have seen all 3 types of the decomposition reaction. Okay, so just I am proceeding toward another type of chemical reaction. Third type of chemical reaction we have to describe. It is displacement reaction. So about displacement reaction, you see displacement reaction. Okay, displacement reaction. First of all, before going to discuss about the displacement reaction, we have to know the reactivity series. Reactivity series क्या करें? We have to see the reactivity series. So in this way, reactivity series of metal must reactivity series of metals. Okay, potassium at the topmost, PSC magenta. You know PSC magenta. PSC magenta. P for potassium. It is very reactive metal. As for sodium, symbol Na. This is the second reactive metal. C for carbon. Not it is the symbol. It is the first letter of the element. Calcium. Magnesium, M for magnesium. Aluminium. Z for zinc. I for iron. N for nickel. Tin. Sn. Lead. After this, the hydrogen is one of the non-metal, is also comes in this group. This is non-metal. The only non-metal comes in this group. Non-metal hydrogen. And after this, copper. Then mercury. Then silver. Okay. Then silver. Then Au, aurum, gold, and then platinum. So these are the reactivity series of metal from top to bottom. Top is most reactive and bottom is least reactive. Now see what is the displacement reaction. In this reaction, most reactive metal or more reactive, comparatively more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal or element from aqueous solution of compound of less reactive metal. Just you see iron, position of iron and position of zinc. Iron and zinc, which is more reactive? So which one is upper? That is most reactive. So in between zinc and iron, zinc is more reactive. That means if Zn reacts with FeSO4, which one is more reactive? Zn is more reactive. So Zn displaces Fe from FeSO4. This is aqueous and this is solid. What will happen? ZnSO4 is formed, okay, aqueous, and plus iron is displaced. You see copper and iron. Copper is here and iron. You see. So while FeSO4 reacts with copper, no reaction. Why? Why does not reaction happen? Because copper is less reactive than iron. But when in blue color of copper sulfate, aqueous solution, and iron nail is dipped in this, what will happen? So CO is displaced, and FeSO4, green solution of FeSO4, aqueous solution, green color is formed, and here blue. In this way, we have seen that displacement reaction in which the more reactive metal displaces, the less reactive metal from the aqueous solution of the compounds. So students, now I am finishing up to here, and tomorrow the remaining topics will be taught. Thanks for watching.